Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to run Facebook ads campaign using Claude, right? In previous video we have learned how to create an account on Claude, and then we have learned how to connect your Facebook ads manager with your Claude AI agent account, right? But in this video we are going to learn how to create a Facebook ad campaign using your Claude AI, right? So as you can see right now, we are into Claude and this is the dashboard of the Claude, right? So here we are just going to write create an a Facebook ad campaign in Arzu Car Solutions ad account. I want you to create an engagement objective campaign with ABO budget strategy. Conversion location should be messaging destination, as I want to receive all enquiries on WhatsApp. Keep the daily budget of ad set as rupees 100. The start date of ad campaign is from today and end date should be 15 days later. I want to target Bikaner within city in geographic targeting, comma, gender targeting should be man and age targeting should be 23 years to 55 years, whereas detailed targeting should be according to car repair business. In ad creatives, use the existing ad campaign ad creatives. So I have written the prompt as per my knowledge, right? And we are going to simply click on enter and submit. If it asks for any permission, right, then you need to simply click on allow access, right? We have mentioned all those things which we require in the campaign settings, and let's see if Claude AI agent can successfully create a Facebook ads campaign in our Facebook ads manager, right? So it is writing, I have found the Arjukhar solution ad account and this is the ad account ID. Now let me fetch the existing ad campaign to pull creatives from them, because we have asked it to use the ad creative from existing ad campaign, right? Now let me fetch the existing creative and the page link to Arju Car solution in parallel. Okay, now I have all the tools I need. Let me also search for targeting to find Bikaner interest, location IDs, then create the campaign. Let me search for targeting option for Bikaner city. Now I have everything it is saying I need. Let me also fetch existing ads from the account to get the creative IDs, then create the campaign structure. Let me first get existing ads to pull creative from. Okay, it found the existing ads creative and their creative IDs. Now let me create the campaign first. Outcome should be engagement and it should be a ABO, no campaign level budget. Okay, campaign created. Now let me create the ad set. Okay, our campaign has been created. Now let me create the ad set with all target specifications. Bikaner city, man, age, WhatsApp destination, daily budget, start today and 15 days later, June 5. Okay, the city only audience for Bikaner is too narrow. Let me broaden by increasing the radius to include a wider area around Bikaner. Okay, no issues. The audience is too small with hard gender plus age plus city constant. Let me try with advantage plus audience enable. Okay, no issues with street age gender as signals and not hard caps. The ad set is created. Now Facebook API required broadening to Rajasthan state level and okay. Now let me create the ad creative. Use the most recent engagement ad creative from the existing ad creative. Okay, all three levels of the campaigns are created successfully and campaign created successfully, and these are the campaign detail and okay, these are the ad creative and ad set details. We just need to publish it after checking. So let's go to our ads manager, right? And right now these are the three campaigns: April 10, January 24, May 13, and now let's refresh and see if there is any new campaign created. Okay, okay, so Ardu Car Solution WhatsApp engagement campaign have been created and right now it's turned off. We just need to add the budget and simply click on turn on. Now let's click on edit and see what settings it have done, right? So it is basically the campaign name which the Claude have written, and in the budget strategy it have selected ad set budget and A/B testing is off. Special ad category it have not selected as per the business, right? And in the ad set name it have written the ad set name is like this, and in the conversion location as we have selected uh, as we have asked it to get all the inquiries on WhatsApp only. So in the manual destination, it has successfully selected WhatsApp only and it have unchecked both the Messenger and Instagram messages. That's nice, right? And we when we scroll down, then daily budget is already set up, right? Start and end date is already set up, right? And in the audience targeting, okay, it have incorrect audience geolocation targeting. We need to change it. Okay, let's write Bikaner. Many times it can commit mistakes, so don't rely on it completely, right? Current city only. Okay, okay. Suggest an audience, age have been selected, gender have been selected, right? And in the detail targeting it have not added any filters because it have already told us that you are targeting a small location, so adding detail targeting filters would not help you out. Instead you should use advantage plus audience. Okay, no issues. And placement it have selected all the placement. Now let's go to the ad creative, right, and see. So what this error is showing, actually the WhatsApp business account has been switched to WhatsApp individual account. That's why no issues, right? Okay, so it have used the existing post. Okay, and Instagram video has been selected, primary text has been selected, right? We just need to click on publish, right? by just activating our WhatsApp business account. So in this manner, you can simply create a Facebook ad campaign and you can run Facebook ad campaign using Claude AI agent using MCP server. I hope you like this video and you were seeking for this kind of video. Now kindly hit the like button if you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. And if you want to enroll in our digital marketing course, then I have mentioned my website link in video description. You can simply visit our website, explore our course, and if you like the course, you can purchase it directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.